Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your OPPO Reno 7. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. So here write Microsoft Edge and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and start customizing it. So the first option is to sign in to turn on syncs in order to synchronize your other browsers with this one. I'm not gonna do that, sign in later. You can allow to share your data with Microsoft if you want. I'm not gonna do that. And here, if you want to set the Microsoft Edge as your default browser, you can do it by pressing yes, let's do it, and picking Edge browser. Now the browser is ready and it should load any page properly, so let's just open that, for example. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.